Every single function, every holiday, every birthday, I'm dragging these around. And this one was offered to me by Best Choice to do a review. And I have to say, I really enjoy working with them because they're always so easy to work with. They're like, we'll send you the product, just tell them whatever you find. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna start off with the most minute of a little bit of a complaint, just to be legit to what I just said. And this is white. When I say white, it is white. So now I don't have time to test this for a year and see what color it is when I get done with a year. But in a little bit, while it looks so beautiful and perfect now, I almost feel like a little bit of an off-white might be a little more durable. I don't know that for a fact, but that's what I'm thinking. The thing that I really love about this one in particular, I don't know if you can tell. What do you say we open it up, set it up, and I'll talk to you about it while we do it. A full 8 feet. Most of these that I have and that I've bought over the years